Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2018 Honda Civic. Customer had their ABS light, their traction light, their steering wheel angle light on, and everything else. I doing another review on this OTOFIX, and it completely reprogrammed the whole entire system for me and calibrated everything for me. This machine is a wonderful machine, and I 100% recommend it for anybody. It is powered by AUTEL, so if you want to pay half the price, this one was sent to me from a company, and I'm doing a complete review on it, and it is an awesome, I mean completely awesome diagnostic machine. It has all the functions and everything that I completely needed. I serviced the ABS, the brake system, all the lights were on for the braking system, the traction control, the tire pressure was on, all the ABS lights were on. I completely reset it with this machine. Then you have to take it for a ride before you finish it off. You can't just reset it here and drive. But this machine is an awesome machine. This is the Pro. This is a 10-inch one. The light is 7 inches, and then they have another one that's above the Pro, the Max, which is a lot more into it, like programming modules, much more than I could, or doing keys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.